smiling for the mommy? Huh? So we got our St. Patrick's Day shirt on that Aunt Mary and Uncle Rick gave us. Yeah, Brady's got one too, huh? Say Happy St. Patrick's Day. Say Happy St. Patrick's Day. Look at the mommy. Can you smile for mommy again? Yeah. Mwah. Are we talking? Huh? Are we gonna talk? Can you give mommy smiles again? Give mommy smiles again. You better give mommy smiles again, my little Irish boy. Say Happy St. Pat's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Let's get really far away and show how big you are. Say, big boy. I'm huge. Yeah, I'm huge. I'm huge. Are we all done with our smiles? Huh? Mommy caught it too late? Did mommy catch you too late? You're all done? Okay. Oh. Don't look so serious, buddy. Yeah. Okay, let's say goodbye.